let's call this missing number x, right? If this is a geometric sequence, from here we have to multiply by r, and from here we have to multiply by r, right? Meaning, if I start from 9,180 and multiply by r twice, I should be at 255. Okay, so then r squared, if I divide both sides by 9180, right, this is what I get, meaning r is going to be plus or minus square root of this entire fraction. Right, that's going to be plus or minus 1 over 6. So there's two possibilities. Right, so this tells me if this is x, it's going to be the first term, so 9180 times the common ratio once. Right, so it could be either the plus version or the minus version. Right, so one of these two. Right, so then this will be positive or negative 1530.